Okay, good evening Form 5 students. Selamat petang. Pelajar tingkatan 5. How are y'all? Apa khabar? Semoga semua baik-baik sahaja. Teacher hope everyone is good, fine. Okay, welcome to today's class. Okay, my name is Teacher Veronica. If you're new here today, just say hi. Where are you from? Okay, which school are you from? Okay. Now, untuk sesi hari ini for today's class, okay, today's live class, what we're going to do, okay, we're going to continue sebenarnya. We're going to sambung from like the previous part where teacher stop. Okay, if you all realize yang sebelum ni, siapa yang join? Okay, cikgu sebenarnya stop dekat bahagian cara nak lukis sudut positif dan sudut negatif. How to draw positive angles and negative angles. Okay, that was yang minggu lepas lah, last week punya. Okay, so this week punya is going to be macam mana cara nak cari cosecant, secant dan cotangent. Okay, cosec, sec dan cotangent. Okay, alright, so this will be the hari ni punya main topic, and then after that lagi satu ialah cara nak guna segitiga. If you can see there is a triangle there, right? Okay, that triangle is very very important, sangat penting, so that like any kind of question triangle come on in exam, so student akan tahu macam mana nak cari. Okay, so now what we do, okay, wait, give me 1 minute, 1 minit. Alright. Okay. So, kita start lah. Kita boleh mula with today's class. Okay, let's see. Okay. Cosecant, secant, cotangent. Okay, ada 3. Okay, first of all, student kena tahu cara. You need to know the formula first lah. Okay, the shortcut formula. Formula macam pintas, formula pintas untuk hafal, for you to memorize cosecant, secant and cotangent. Okay, so if you can see here, teacher nak student tengok the third letter, tengok huruf ketiga. Okay, cuba tengok kat sini. Yang first one kat sini kan, cosecant, right? Tengok huruf ketiga. See the third letter. Okay. Bila nampak huruf ketiga dekat sini, S, betul tak? So, bila dia S, formula dia ialah 1/sin. It is 1/sin theta. Okay, that will be the formula. 1/sin. Because dia ikut huruf ketiga. Okay, boleh Now, the same thing goes for the secant. Okay, secant pun tengok huruf ketiga. If can, kalau boleh, like those of you who learn dalam bahasa Melayu, teacher tahu cosecant dia cosec, betul kan? Secant ialah sec. Cotangent ialah cot. Okay, kalau boleh, follow yang English one. Okay, ikut yang bahasa Inggeris supaya senang. Okay. So this one, tengok huruf ketiga dia C, betul tak? So C ialah cos. Kita tukar formula dia 1/cos, 1/cos. Okay, cotangent, we follow the third letter, huruf ketiga T. Jadi formula dia ialah 1/tangent, 1/tangent. Okay, now look at the complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles maksudnya sudut yang what is that, like, okay, contoh lah, I give straight contoh because teacher can't recall the Malay word. Okay, complementary means, contoh kalau yang ni, okay, macam ni, 90 darjah, 90 degrees Okay, kalau teacher kat sini lukis, I draw 30 degrees. Berapa balance? How much is the balance here? Berapa the balance? It will be 60. How teacher know? Macam mana teacher tahu 60? Sebab the full thing dekat sini 90 kan? Jadi 90 tolak 30. Correct or not? 90 minus 30. Okay, so that is known as complementary. That means 60 dengan 30 adalah sudut what complement lah. Sudut rujukan lah. Wait, let me just double check ah. Complementary, right? Sudut, nah, I can't find yet. Kalau teacher dah ingat, nanti teacher bagi tahu in the end. Okay, so from here, daripada sini, okay, you see for this A yang ni ialah sudut A, okay, ini sudut A okay. Kalau A dekat sini, tambah dengan B, contohlah dekat sini, A ialah 60, okay. Lepas tu dekat sini berapa? Sini akan jadi 30, betul? Jadi A tambah dengan C, ni sepatutnya C okay. A tambah dengan C sepatutnya jadi 90. It's supposed to get 90. Okay, A plus C you're supposed to get 90. Okay, so the 60 and 30 are complementary. Okay, sudut complementary. Okay, for now, what you need to understand, what teacher want you all to like memorize is the best friends ataupun kawan karib. Okay, best friend for sine is cos. Okay, kawan baik untuk sine ialah cos. So, if teacher ask terbalik, if I ask you all to reverse it, who is the best friend for cos? You all know that the best friend for cos is sine. Okay, it's terbalik both ways. You see? Both ways. Okay, kalau teacher tanya siapa best friend, kawan baik untuk tangent, cotangent. Ingat huruf T ni. Tangent punya best friend ialah cotangent. Okay, so kalau teacher tanya siapa best friend, who's the best friend for cotangent, is terbalik tangent. Okay, so they both are best friend. Okay, kawan baik. Okay, for secant, okay, secant ingat huruf ketiga this third letter, cosecant. Kawan baik secant ialah cosecant. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu, kawan baik sec ialah cosec. Okay, so terbalik pun sama juga. If the reverse also is the same. Okay, so now we try examples Kita cuba soalan daripada how to apply this best friend. Macam mana kita nak apply best friend kita. Okay. Relate the following trigonometry function to represent to their respective trigonometric function containing their complementary angle. Okay. Sekarang ni apa yang kita nak buat? Kita nak cari dia punya sudut complementary. Okay. This one is cos 55, correct? Okay. Cos 55, what you can start off with? Wait 1 minute Okay. Yes, okay. Cos 55. Who is the best friend for cos? So, if just now you all remember, kalau ingat lagi, siapa kawan baik untuk cos? Okay, siapa kawan baik untuk cos? Sine, correct. So, here we write, okay, first you start with cos 55 sama dengan sine, okay. Take 90 tolak with 55. 90 minus 55. Okay, what we get? 90 minus 55. 35. Okay, so we get sine 35. Okay, you double check. Cos 55 same or not the nilai dengan sine 35. Cuba double check dapat jawapan yang sama. Yes, the best friend is sine. Okay. Dapat jawapan yang sama not? You get the same answer. You will get 0.5735, 0.5735. You'll get the answer. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, B. If secant, okay, this is secant, right? Okay, teacher wanna ask you all. Secant, okay, usually, of course, best friend secant ialah cosecant. Correct or not? Okay, but you must always take note, kena ambil peringatan that secant boleh tak lukis dalam graph. Can we draw secant in our graph or not? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, can we draw? Cannot. Secant tak boleh nak lukis. So what you do? You tukar dulu, you change first to, okay, secant is the third letter is C, cos kan? Okay, we change to 1 over cos. Kita tukar dulu 1 per cos 150. Okay, then we find where is 150. Kita cari 150. So 150 will go here. Kan? Okay, daripada sini sampai sini is 150. Okay, lukis dulu segitiga. Draw the triangle. Okay, then kat sini berapa balance? How much will be the balance there? The whole thing satu line ialah 180. Kan? Tapi kita nak that small part. So 180 tolak 150, you get 30. Okay, kita dapat 30. So we going to use 30. Okay, kita nak guna cos 30. But, okay, teacher wanna ask you all. Sini all science teachers are crazy. Ingat lagi kan? I hope you all remember this. All science teachers are crazy. Okay, so dekat situ sign sahaja yang positif, correct or not? Sign only, but then now ours is cos. So how? You change to negative cos 30. Letak negatif dekat depan. You change to you put negative because dia berada pada kuadran kedua. Okay, letak, yes, correct. Negative cos. Okay. Now baru cari best friend. Now only you find the best friend. So the best friend for cos is sine, isn't it? Okay, so negative sine 90. 90 tolak 30. Okay, so 90 tolak 30 is 60. 60. Negative sine 60. So sine you cannot leave at the bottom. Tak boleh biarkan dekat bawah. Kalau tukarkan dia balik, dia akan jadi negative cosecant 60. Sebab guna huruf S kan, cosecant, isn't it? Okay. So sekarang you can double check. Okay, you just double check whether this value 1 over negative cos 30 same with this or not. You can double check. Negative 1 over cos 30. Okay. Sama dengan negative 1 divided by sine 60. Yes, I'm getting dalam bentuk set. Teacher dapat dalam bentuk set. Negative 2, set 3 like that. Okay, but both also I'm getting the same answer. Okay, both also got negative. Okay. Okay, next one. Usually if secant, cosecant, we guna, we must do the drawing and change the bentuk first. Lepas tu baru boleh guna best friend. Okay? Like normal cos, sine, tangent, boleh terus guna the best friend. Straight away you use the best friend. Okay, like here now for C kan? Okay, for C this one, okay, tangent. Okay, so tangent, terus you can guna the best friend. Siapa best friend tangent? Just now best friend tangent ialah cotangent, isn't it? Okay, what was best friend for tangent? Cotangent. Okay. Tapi, okay, if you see here, if teacher write cotangent, okay, teacher tulis cotangent 90 tolak 215. Can I get the answer? Kalau I straight away use the best friend, cannot, isn't it? So one thing, if you realize, kalau student start to realize, this value kan, number ni, dia sepatutnya lebih kecil daripada 90. It must be smaller than 90. So if you realize A smaller than 90, so it was okay, dia okay. Tak payah tukar apa-apa. B tadi it was not, so we had to do some changes. So C pun bukan, so we cannot straight away tukar. Okay, kita lukis dulu, we draw first. Okay, we draw first, kita lukis 215, 215 will come down here. Okay, turun ke bawah this part. Okay, I draw like this. Okay, usually when you draw, okay, so usually this part, okay, this part 215 means, okay, here, this one draw a triangle like that. Okay, lukis satu triangle. Okay, so berapa angle di sini yang sebenarnya kita cari? What are we finding here actually? This is 90 degree, right? So we want this part. How much is it, this part? So don't go and find here. Bukan di sini. Remember last class teachers told always must touch the paksi X. Perlu sentuh paksi X. X exists. Okay. Must always touch the X. So berapa dekat situ? Take 215 tolak 180. Okay, 215 tolak 180. We get 35. Okay, this part is 35. So that means tangent 215 you can write as tangent 35, tangent 35. You just double check first. Tangent 215 same or not as tangent 35. You check first. If this is same, then you proceed. If you feel that you get wrong, not same, that means something wrong with the way you change, you tukar. Okay, caught, nope, okay. So we get the same answer, right? Decimal dia sama kan di sini. Okay, so since sama, what you do, sekarang baru guna best friend. Now only you can use the best friend. So the best friend for tangent is cotangent. Now you take 90 tolak with 35, you will get the answer. So you get here cotangent 90 tolak 35, 55. So what we are doing here, we are changing to the complementary angle. Tukar kepada sudut complementary. Okay. Okay, so far clear. Any question? Okay, teacher's going to erase the B. Teacher akan padam B because I want to draw for this D. Okay. Untuk D, for the D, cosecant negative 15, negative 15. Okay, clear teacher. Okay, sorry. Okay, negative 15, right? So, of course, we cannot straight away tukar to the best friend. Best friend cosecant ialah secant, isn't it? Because I cannot take secant 90 minus negative 15, cannot. So, kita kena buat some changes dulu. We have to do some changes first. Okay, cosecant kita tukar bentuk dia. We change the form. Okay, it will be 1 over sin 15. Okay, this 15 actually you can put negative in front. Boleh letak negative di depan. No problem. Okay, boleh letak di depan. Okay, then from here, let's see we draw 15 degrees first. Kita lukis dulu. Okay, sini X dan Y kan. X dan Y ya. Okay, then from here 15 means sini. Oh, very small. Okay, this is 15. Then you draw the triangle. Okay, triangle. Okay, what is your angle here? 15 sahaja kan? So, tak payah like no need to do any working to find anything extra. Okay, all science teachers crazy. So, dekat sini, dia selalunya positif. Okay, but here, since that negative is there, that one you remain. Tak payah buat apa-apa. Okay, no need to do anything. Cumanya now only you can change to the best friend. Sekarang baru boleh tukar to best friend. So dia akan jadi cos, okay, 90 tolak with 15. Okay, 90 tolak with 15, we get 75. Okay, negative cos 75. Negative cos 75. Then you cannot leave the cos at the bottom. Tak boleh biarkan di bawah. You must change the bentuk balik. So it will be negative cos is secant kan? Okay, so change to negative secant 75. So it is a complementary angle for this. So if you realize, kalau student realize, dia akan jadi best friend dia balik. It will become like the best friend again. Cosecant, best friend is secant what? So memang you dapat balik the best friend. But you must do these steps. Kenapa? Because this is negative. So cannot take 90 minus negative 15. Tak boleh. Kan? So that one you have to be careful and check. Okay, I think we are done. Sudah habis this part of secant, cosecant, cotangent. Kemudian cari best friend dia. Finding the best friend. Okay, ada soalan? Got any question? Okay, if tak ada, okay. No teacher. Okay, Sharvin. Sharvin, where are you from? Are you from KL, Pahang, Melaka? Are you learning in English atau dalam bahasa in BM? Johor Bahru. Okay. So this topic all finished in school ready? Sudah habis or not in sekolah? I think you all now already trial right from 5. So mesti dah habis kan? Malay. Oh, bahasa. Okay. So bab-bab ni your cikgu sudah habis or not in school? So I'm sure like now you will be much more clearer kan? Lebih jelas lagi. Sudah habis. Okay. So let's look at number 2. Okay, number 2. We have here cos diberi. Okay, this one all is diberi. Whenever soalan give, beri, kita perlu guna. We must use what they give us. Okay, cos, sine, tangent, cosecant. Okay, find the value of the following without using calculator. Okay, tanpa guna. Teacher want to let you all know, last year, 2021 batch, they always will, whenever teachers give like this question lah, when at trial or like exam mid-year, they always say, teacher, how come without using calculator? Of course, macam examiner ataupun like yang tanda soalan, orang yang tanda soalan, dia tak tahu kita guna calculator atau tidak. Okay, correct. What they told teacher was correct. But if the arahan, okay, of the instruction give and tell that you cannot use calculator, tak boleh guna means, They can actually detect whether you use calculator or not. Of course lah, kita boleh guna calculator dalam exam. Tapi you must show the working in detail. I think recently which paper Negeri Perak trial paper. All the soalan-soalan kebat, what they did, one of the question was 5 marks. But if you use calculator, I think nak cari log, okay? Log. If you use calculator, memang you terus tekan in calculator, you straight dapat 1 markah. But that soalan got 5 markah. So where the markah comes from? Daripada jalan kerja. So that's why the jalan kerja is very, very important. So even though you know how to use your calculator, please make sure you also know the jalan kerja. If you are an IGCSE student, I think 2023 or 2024, you cannot use calculator any longer. Okay, you tak boleh guna calculator already. 2023, if I'm not mistaken. So paper 1, just imagine SPM students, paper 1, semua kena jawab tanpa calculator. You cannot use at all. So it's going to be hard, isn't it? Okay, so this one, make sure you tahu jalan kerja. Okay, maybe later I will show, maybe this one, I'll show one of the question like that. Tanpa guna calculator. Okay, this one, first, kita cari best friend. Okay, cos punya best friend ialah sin. Okay, sin 90 minus 65. So kita dapat 90 minus 65. See, this one also teacher use calculator. Sin 25. Okay, sin 25. So sin 25 ada tak nilai yang diberi? Ada. So just salin only lah. 0.4226. Usually like this you get 2 marks. Tapi if you terus guna calculator cos 65, 0.4226, 0.4226, that's like 1 mark only lah. So you have to use complementary, sudut complementary. Okay, B. Let's see who is the best friend. Siapa kawan baik untuk sin? Cos kan? Okay, so we tukar first to cos. Cos 90 tolak 65. Okay, then here will be cos 25, 25. So, apakah nilai cos? What is the value of cos there? 25? 0.9063. So, you get your marks here. Okay, senang, betul tak? It's not too difficult, just must know the best friend only lah. Okay, here cotangent. Okay, this one, you don't have to draw the diagram graph. Why? Because, you see here, the value is smaller than 90. Kecil daripada 90. Jadi, terus cari the kawan baik dia. So, kawan baik cotangent. The best friend is tangent. So, tangent 90 minus 65. So, tangent 25, 25. Jadi, apakah nilai tangent 25? We just copy, which is 0.4663. 0.4663. Okay, D, last one. Okay, can you all try? Secant. Secant, tak payah lukis graph, no need to draw because this value is kecil daripada 90. Jadi boleh terus cari best friend. Find the best friend straight away. Okay, get ready. Sin. Secant's best friend is who, Kirtana? Who is secant's best friend? Siapakah best friend kawan baik secant? See the third letter. Not cos, Best friend is co. You have to change to cosecant. Sign again. Okay, best friend for secant is cosecant. So, tukar dulu to cosecant. 90 minus 65. Okay, cosecant, not cos. Cos means that one, Kirtana, you are changing to this bentuk. 1 over cos. We are now not changing to that bentuk. We using complementary. You change to that bentuk, okay, when your angle, contohlah 100. if the value of the angle is lebih daripada 90, more than 90, then kirtana you use that one, 1 over cos. You do this. Okay, kalau dia kecil daripada 90, boleh terus guna best friend. Straight away use the best friend. Okay, so here cosecant 25, 25. So cosecant 25 is 2.366. Terus dapat jawapan. Can understand? Make sure this one is very clear. Okay? Boleh faham tak? Anyone got any question can ask. Okay, teacher wait for anyone who ada soalan. Kalau tak ada, we can go to the next one. Ada soalan? If the resolution is not clear, tukar the resolution to HD, higher definition, quality dia, higher picture quality, you tukar the thing. Clear, okay. Cosec is not in calculator, right teacher? Yes. Cosecant tak ada in calculator, so you cannot find lah. I think the new calculator pun tak ada juga cosecant, don't have. But let's say secant, then you change to 1 over cos. Then if you want to check, you are asking this because you want to check, is it? Cosecant memang tak ada dalam calculator, but kalau nak check, secant, what you do? Okay, secant tukar dulu to 1 per cos, correct? Okay, then 1 per cos, you're going to change to the best friend, right? The best friend is sine, isn't it? Sine 90 minus 65. Okay, so this will be sine 25. This one you can check. 1 over cos 65. Okay, yang ni you boleh check. Sama tak dengan 1 bahagi sine 25. You just double check yang ni. Yang ni teacher dapat 2.366. This one also teacher dapat 2.366. You check. If you want to check, you can check like this. So betul lah your jawapan. Because 1 per sine, 1 over sine, kalau tukar balik, jadi apa? Cosecant. Kan? Dia akan jadi cosecant 25. Cosecant 25. If this is the way kalau nak check. Can Okay, I go to the next question. Alright, number 3. Okay, for each of the following. Okay, teacher clear. Alright. Okay, find the possible angles theta. Okay, kita nak cari the sudut. We want to find theta without using calculator again. Okay, so, first of all, to tengok the soalan first, understand the question first. Here, cotangent, theta. Here, tangent, 31. Why they give us like this? Because we must make the left hand side sama dengan the right hand side. Okay? Kita kena jadikan yang left hand side same with the right hand side. Okay, if here cotangent, sini pun kena tukar jadi cotangent. Okay, so that whatever nilai yang kita dapat dekat belakang, kita akan samakan dengan theta. We will make it equal to theta. So first what you do, okay, this is cotangent, copy back. Belakang, best friend tangent. Who is best friend for tangent? Cotangent, isn't it? Okay, so we write cotangent. Can straight away tukar to the best friend sebab ini ialah 31. This is lesser than 90. Kurang daripada 90, boleh tukar dululah terus kepada best friend dia. Okay, so what we get here? 90 tolak 31. Okay, this one of course use calculator lah. 90 tolak 31 dapat cotangent 59. Now you see, both sides same already or not? Cotangent, cotangent. Kan? Cot and cot. So, theta ialah 59. Isn't it? Theta is 59. But is that the only answer? We must double check. Is that the only answer or not? How to check? Okay. See ya. Ini ialah sudut daripada 0 sampai 360. From 0 to 360, isn't it? Okay. So, what we do? We must check for everything. Kita kena check untuk semua. Okay, kita lukis 59 dulu. Here is 59, correct? Okay, cotangent. Okay, dia punya best friend ialah tangent, isn't it? Cotangent best friend is tangent, right? So, all science teachers are crazy. All science teachers. So, you must find one more sudut. Kena cari lagi satu sudut di mana ada tangent. Here, okay. 59, okay. Kat situ ada tangent. Dekat sini pun ada tangent. There also, the third quadrant also got tangent. So, we must find here how much. How to find this part. Okay. The third quadrant, ingat lagi tak? What is the formula? 180 plus 59. So, lagi satu. Theta kita ialah one more of our sudut is 180 plus 59. So, you got dua sudut. 59 dengan 239. 239. Because tangent dekat first dengan third positive. So, kita perlukan dua sudut. You must take, you must count all the possible, semua yang possible answers. Even the question pun beritahu kan, find the possible angles. Okay. Clear or not this part? Okay, sekarang the same thing we are going to apply for B also. Okay, clear teacher. Okay. This one cosecant theta equals to secant 67. Okay. Look at the, what is that? Look at the thing, both sides. Which one we can make it same? Yang mana kita boleh tukar jadi dia sama? Okay, cosecant theta. Secant's best friend? Cosecant, isn't it? Okay. Secant's best friend ialah cosecant. So, we change to cosecant 90 minus 67. Okay. So, 90 minus 67 ialah 23. Okay. So, your theta you got ready? Yes. Theta dah dapat. Okay. First theta dah dapat 23. You already got 23. Okay. Now, what we must do? We must draw because we need all the possible angles. X, Y. Okay. One of it, 23 here. Okay. This one, we are finding for what? Sine, cos or tangent? Kita cari untuk apa? Sine, cos atau tangent? Okay, kita nak say 113. How kita nak you got 113? Because this one is cosecant, you know. In the graph, you cannot find cosecant kan? Dalam graph tak boleh cari cosecant. So, how you got 113? Can share not with teacher? Sine. Yes, kita kena guna sine. Very good. We must use the third letter what? Okay, the third letter sign. How teacher know? Because cosecant, if you change means it is 1 over sine, correct? Satu per sine, isn't it? Okay. So we must use sine. That means kita kena cari in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant macam ni kan? Okay. So you must cari yang nilai ke berapa. Which nilai is it you must find? How to find for second quadrant? The formula. Kalau second quadrant, 180 minus 23. Here is 23 what? So we want from here to here. Still remember or not? Ingat lagi tak? I go back, I show if you all maybe terlupa. Because I don't want you all to be confused. See here, kalau second quadrant, 180 minus the angle that you got. So kita tolak 23. Okay? So where was it? This one. So 180 tolak 23 we get. So theta got two answers. 23 and 157. 23 dan 157. Can or not? Kirtana? I hope you understand. Maybe the 113. Don't know how you got 113. Okay. So when they ask you to cari the sudut, make sure this one you must draw cari for the entire quadrant. Maybe quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to see whether it's sine, cos atau tangent. Teacher, wait, I want to copy. Okay, I will wait. So I think it's official. Next Monday is a holiday. We just got the news. Hari Isnin depan cuti. I think everyone was waiting for the holiday. Kan? Setiap orang. You all got exam on Monday? So if not, it's going to be postponed lah. Kalau siapa ada exam tu next Monday memang akan postpone. Okay, copy already? Teacher continue Yay, holiday. Jolly. You are waiting for holiday, is it, Gitara? Tunggu untuk cuti. Got so many cuti already, I think. This month, right? Dah banyak cuti. Even sebelum the election ada cuti. One day before. Then I think after your trial next December, some got 1 minggu cuti. Wah, a lot of cuti. But the more cuti you have, lebih banyak holiday, the faster your SPM is coming near. So make sure you now is the time to go all out for your soalan percubaan trial, okay? Okay, I'm scrolling down Okay. Okay, sekarang kita go through the nilai no way. Yes, it's the truth, right? Kan? That is the truth what? The more The more holidays we have, actually you are getting closer to your SPM already. So make use, you can be happy for your holiday. Even I'm also very happy, but I still have to work. Okay, you can be happy for your holiday, tapi make sure you make use, utilize fully. Ah, don't lah, janganlah on the day only. You know, sometimes student like want to bangun sangat lambat, wake up 10 o'clock, 11. Don't. Wake up like how you go to school. Wake up fresh in the morning, do at max. So like let's say 7:30 you start until 9:30. You do paper 1. Kertas 1, you try 2 jam. Can siap or not? So that's how you practice. Okay? Okay, we go to the next one. Alright. Okay, this one, teacher want you all to memorize this triangle. Ingat segitiga. Don't have to memorize this jadual because in exam they don't give the jadual. Jadual tak diberi. So teacher suggests you hafal triangle. So triangle, you all got notes or not? For AdMaths, ada nota. You all do your own nota. If you do, you add on this dalam nota. Okay, this triangle got 2 triangle only, very easy to remember. Satu ialah triangle yang 45 sudut dia. So if the angle is 45, tengok dia punya opposite, nilai dia ialah 1. Very easy to remember. 1. Okay, and then here dia set 2. Okay, another triangle lagi satu ialah 30 dengan 60. So the 30, the opposite is 1. And then the 60, the opposite ialah 3. And then here 2. Hypotenuse 2. If you can remember, hypotenuse 2 pun 2. Both also is 2. But the 45 one got 2. Okay, so what you do, you memorize, you close your eyes, you try to draw back on your notebook. Okay, macam contoh kita tak tengok, teacher didn't see that. So you must try to draw back. Lukis balik. 45, 1, set 2. Okay, another one more. Here is 30, 60, 1, 2, set 3. Like that. You must be able to draw back. Teacher and calculator can convert number bulat to set. Convert number bulat to set. Convert. How you want to convert to set? Because yang ni, actually how you get the set? Because of the Pythagoras theorem. Kita guna theorem Pythagoras. Hypotenuse sama dengan adjacent. Adjacent is bersebelahan tambah opposite, isn't it? So adjacent and opposite ialah 1 kuasa 2 tambah 1 kuasa 2. Correct. Though the hypotenuse kuasa 2, right? Okay. So dekat sini kita dapat 2 betul. So kuasa 2 you pindah go there. So that is why you get set 2. Does this answer your question? Convert number bulat to set. You can convert set to pecahan and perpuluhan. Tapi number bulat is number bulat already what? Cannot convert to set. Okay? I hope this answered. Now you can, okay? This one actually, that's how you get. Guna Pythagoras theorem. You use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, see, just remember the triangle, very easy to remember. Okay, not too difficult. Okay, now, what we're going to do? Okay, remember the triangle, Okay. This is how question paper 1, they will give. Okay. Given here, okay, diberi sin 150 sama dengan 1/2. Without using a calculator, find the value of the following. This one is, sin, okay. First step, okay, what you do, you draw a triangle. Okay, kita lukis satu triangle. Sin 150. Okay, wait not. We draw from the graph. Kita lukis daripada graph. Okay, here X, can see the graph. Oh, okay. X, Y, okay. 150 means sampai sini, betul tak? 150 ah. Okay, then make sure you draw a straight line, touch paksi X. Garis lurus tu kena sentuh paksi X. Okay, so berapa nilai kat dalam sini? 30, isn't it? Okay, so the sin 150, teacher write as sin 30. Remember all this we learned just now already. Cara nak tukar to sudut yang lebih kecil. We learn all this already. See, that's why now it's important to apply here. Okay, sekarang kita apply dekat sini. Okay, you just double check in your calculator. Sin 150 sama tak dengan sin 30? Sin 150 same as sin 30 or not? Yes, you should get same lah. Okay. Okay, then 1/2. Okay, this one you can use so cha toa. You can use yang ni dalam bahasa Inggeris. Okay, I don't know in bahasa Melayu usually what you all learn as. But I suggest kalau you learning in bahasa Melayu, you also remember this way. Okay, sine, this is S is sine, opposite hypotenuse. So this 1 is opposite. Opposite here 1. Hypotenuse is the down one, 2. So right here 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now we go to the first question. Cos 150. Okay, 150, of course, tak boleh lah the cos there, isn't it? Because 150 is more than 90 already. So what you do? You tukarkan these two, cos 30 also. Okay, cos 30 also. We are changing to cos 30. But all science teachers crazy. So here the S only must be positive. Therefore, cos kita akan jadi negative. Okay, cos kita guna apa? What we use for cos? Adjacent. Okay, so I just draw the triangle only. You all see. Here the value is 1. Here is 2, isn't it? Okay. Adjacent. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. Okay, what is the adjacent? What is the nilai dekat bawah dia? Use theorem Pythagoras dulu. Use the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, this one come here. 2 square minus 1 square dapat 2 kuasa 2 tolak 1 kuasa 2. 3. Okay, dapat 3. The kuasa 2 pindah go to the other side. So, set is your adjacent. Set 3. Can you see? Actually, this what is that? Triangle is actually this triangle. Segitiga yang ini. If you all realize. Okay, segitiga yang 30 and 60 just now. Okay. So, now cos 30 kita guna adjacent and hypotenuse. So, adjacent ialah set 3, hypotenuse will be 2. So, the answer is negative set 3/2. Check your calculator. Negative cos 30. So, you get negative 3 set 2. But if you use the black Casio, you won't get. Tak dapat. You dapat dalam bentuk perpuluhan. Okay, is my video still live? Because for teacher is showing error here. Oh, it's still live, huh? Okay. So can understand the first one? Cos 150. Okay, the second one. Secant 150. Secant 150. Okay, 150 is already more than 90 kan. So before that, what you do? This is secant. Okay, kita tukar dulu kepada cos. 1 over cos 150. Okay, but cos 150, if we draw, it will become 1 over negative cos 30. Are you all following? How teacher got? Because negative sebab here, right? I'm still using the same triangle. Teacher masih lagi guna segitiga yang sama. Negatif sebab kedudukan di tempat kedua, kuadran kedua is sin what? So cos means must be negative. 30 macam mana teacher dapat? Sebab you cannot use 150. After you draw, you must follow the triangle. Kena guna triangle. Okay. So what is cos? Tadi dah dapat jawapan, right? We can just follow the answer from A. Okay, 1 per negative sec 3 over 2. Okay, usually like this students get confused kan? Okay, how teacher this one like very weird. The pecahan like berperingkat. Okay, so teacher suggest you tulis macam bentuk like when you were standard 4, standard 5, you know, you do the bahagi like this. You write like this first. But if you can key in calculator baru boleh terus key in. Tukarkan kepada darab 2 atas, sec 3 turun ke bawah. You must terbalikkan the thing. 1 darab negative 2, you get negative 2. Then sec 3 just tulis dekat bawah. So the value will be negative 2 over sec 3. Okay. Okay, next one D. Tangent 150. Okay, tangent 150, of course, sepatutnya we supposed to lukis. Okay, tapi there's no teacher lukis up already, so I lukis again down here. Okay, 150 means this whole thing 150. Tapi kita kena bentuk satu segitiga and dapatkan sudut complement. What is the complementary angle there? That part, the reference, so 30, isn't it? And then, sorry, the nilai all just now we got, right? Here is 1, 2, lepas tu sini setiga. Okay, so tangent, this is all science teachers crazy. So tangent here must be negative, betul tak? Jadi dia akan jadi negative tangent 30. It will become negative tangent. So you can check first the way you change betul or not. Tangent 150 sama tak dengan negative tangent 30? You check. Okay, you get sama. Okay, then only what is tangent? Opposite over adjacent. Oh, opposite ialah 1. Adjacent ialah setiga. So, negative 1 over setiga. You get in bentuk nilai here already. Okay. Okay, the last one. Can you all try? Teacher give you all 2 minutes. Try the cosecant. The clue, tukar the bentuk first. 1 per sin. Tukar bentuk dia dulu. 2 minutes. Try first. Okay, get ready. Okay, sin 150. Okay, bila lukis 150 dia pergi pada quadrant 2, right? So it will still be a positive, huh? So sin 30. Okay, sin is so is opposite over hypotenuse. So what is our opposite? Opposite is 1. Hypotenuse is 2. So 1 divide 1 over 2, we will get the answer is 2. Just who tak dapat? If you tak dapat, then teacher show some more detail. But I think this is already the working lah. Inilah jalan kerja dia. Okay, anything to ask from this or not? Okay, kalau tak ada, we go to the next one. Next one is very easy. Guna calculator sahaja. Use calculator. So use calculator straight can get the answer. Okay, can you use calculator for number 2? Give teacher like no teacher can understand. Okay, Sharvin. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. Okay, can you all quickly just key in dalam calculator for okay, first one cannot. Secant kan tak ada right dalam calculator. Okay, so we have to do some changes first. Kena tukar dulu, so tukar to what bentuk this one? 1 per cos 335. Then you tekan calculator. Boleh tekan. 1 divide cos 335. Beri teacher dalam 3 decimal place. 3 tempat perpuluhan. Okay, can give in 3 tempat perpuluhan. Just tekan only. 1 bahagi. Okay, 1.103. Okay, kita nak give 1.1034. Okay, you gave 4 tempat perpuluhan. Okay, so depends. Like for now, both your answers also same. Tapi if the question say 3 tempat perpuluhan, then Sarvin's answer will be same. But the question say 4 tempat perpuluhan, 4 decimal, then Kirtana's answer will be correct. Okay. Okay, B, change this first. Cosecant, tukar kepada sin. 1 over sin, negative put in front. 3 pi over 5. The negative is actually not for the angle, it's for the quadrant. It was for the quadrant. Okay, so bahagi only. Okay, dapat or not? cannot be 30, 30 all is like a sudut already. Must be like 1 point something or 0 point something like that. Maybe the way you masukkan dalam calculator is wrong. Okay, if your calculator, maybe sometimes calculator won't detect, you tukar this to sudut first. Change to sudut first. 3 pi per 5, you change to sudut. Remember bab 1? Sukatan membulat, circular measure. So pi is 180, right? So you change to 180. Like this. You get the sudut first. 3 times 180 bahagi 5. So the sudut ialah 108. So you masukkan sini 108. I think now you will get. Sekarang dapat the correct one. Negative 1.051. Okay, if Sharwin, you're stopping at 1 there, just double check. After that is what number? 514, is it? Okay, 514, then okay, your answer is correct. 051. Because if after the 1 is number 6, 7, like that, you must bundarkan. Okay. Okay, C and D. This one can quickly key in. Cos negative 382. Terus boleh dapat connection there. Okay. Why my connection went off? I think my internet is quite bad here. Are you all there? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear teacher? Okay, I'm going to continue. This is cos 7/4 pi, right? Okay, this one tukar dulu to sudut, normal sudut. Okay, 7/4 darab is 180. Cos 315. Okay, cos 315. Okay, this 315. I think my connection is bad. It's very bad, means let me know. Okay, cos 315. Okay, kita lukis dulu. We draw. Okay, can hear? Okay. 315, 315 sampai ke sini. Okay, 315. We need to find this part is how much. So 360 tolak 315. 360 tolak 315. So we get 45. Okay, how to find the value? You have to draw the triangle. So if this is 45 means, remember the 40 triangle 45 just now, teacher asked you all to memorize. Okay, this is the benefit lah if you memorize. So when I draw this bigger a bit, okay, sini 45, 90. Here also 45, right? 45, remember not, tadi dia punya pertentangan is 1 and 1. Sini ialah 2. This is the benefit if you memorize the triangle. Terus boleh like ingat what to write there. So cos 315, kita tukarkan dia kepada cos 45. Okay, so cos ialah we use Chap. Toa. So we're going to use Chap. Okay, Chap means opposite. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. Okay, adjacent dengan hypotenuse, right? So adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is 2. 1/2 like that. Okay, senang 1/2. Okay, B. Okay, I'm going to go a bit fast. Okay, secant 330. Secant 330. Okay, this one, kalau nak lukis, of course, okay, kita lukis dulu here, 330 ya. So, pergi sampai sini. 330. Okay, berapa balance dekat sini? How much is the balance? 30. So, we draw a triangle. Okay, if this is what triangle? The 30 and 60 triangle, isn't it? Remember the value or not? 30 is 1. 60 was 3, right? And then here the hypotenuse was 2. Teacher is actually just following cikgu ikut balik segitiga. Nampak tak? 60 dia punya 3, 30 ialah 1, hypotenuse ialah 2. Okay? Then from here, you must change first because we don't know what is secant. Secant tak boleh cari daripada graph, tak boleh cari. So, tukar dulu. 1 per cos 330. Okay, tapi kita tak guna 330. We change to cos 30. Dekat sini, Ali stole the cat. Okay lah, cos dia positif kan dekat kuadran 4. Jadi, cos is adjacent and hypotenuse. Jadi, adjacent ialah yang ini. Ini opposite. Ini hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So, my adjacent is 3, hypo 2. So, when you get pecahan berperingkat, remember just now teacher taught you all to do the bahagi, okay? Buat the bahagi bentuk like this. Or you just tekan dalam kalkulator boleh terus dapat. Okay, tapi kalau nak tunjuk jalan kerja is like this. 2 set 3. So, you get 2 per set 3. Okay. So, the question 4 teacher is going to leave it as your homework. The last one I'm going to do C. Okay, teacher buat C, the last one. Cotangent negative 240. Okay. Apa ni negative? Okay. Remember right? Sudut negative means how to draw. Go down Here 0. Here 90. 180. 270. Like that. So we'll go here. Like that. Okay. So this is 240. Tapi kita nak bahagian sini sebab segitiga will bentuk like that. Okay. So sini berapa nilai dia? So 270 tolak 240. Sini dapat 30. So here is 60. So this one remember the segitiga back. 30 was how much just now? 1. 60 was 3. Hypotenuse was 2. See, that's why you remember the segitiga. Teacher want you all to remember. Hafal dua-dua segitiga. Okay, sekarang ni cotangent memanglah tak boleh cari daripada your graph. So, cotangent we going to change to tangent. Tangent 240. Negative I put outside. Ali stole the cat. Memanglah S. So, that one is already memang negative, isn't it? So, nothing to change here lah. So, 1 per negative tangent 30. Right? This is 30, right? Let me just double check. 2. Oh, I am so sorry. I wrongly calculated here. Ni bukan 30. Okay, one more time. Sorry. Because the thing terbalik already, right? Okay, one more time. Draw 240 first. Okay, lukis 240. Okay, tapi teacher nak bahagian yang ni, right? I want this part only, right? So, I must follow. This is like my, how to say? First, second, third, fourth quadrant, right? So, I'm finding my third quadrant. Betul tak? third quadrant. So 240 tolak 180. Because I'm finding this part only what? 240 minus 180. Jadi di sini ialah 60. So here is 60. Oh, must be very careful terbalik ah. Okay, be careful for terbalik because it's like 1, 2, 3. You're going to the third quadrant. It looks like you are going to the third quadrant. Okay, going to the third quadrant. Okay, so sini ialah 30. Here will be 30. So 30 the opposite is 1, 60 is 3, hypotenuse ialah 2. Okay, don't get confused ah. Just that you can doing terbalik. So at the third quadrant apa yang kita akan buat? Macam sini 1, 2, 3. If you look back, go back to the up notes, you see back the third quadrant you must ambil 100, the value tolak 180. Okay, now, okay, ni kita tukar. Cotangent will tukar to 1 per negative tangent 240. Okay, tapi kita jadikan dia tangent 60. Okay, tangent 60 berapa is dia nilai? You must use TOA, opposite adjacent. So opposite is 3, adjacent is 1. So here we will get, we bahagi like this. Then we change it 2 times. Okay, dapatlah negative 1 per 3. Okay. Okay, soalan 4. I think I give you all the final answer. You all can try. Boleh cuba soalan 4. Okay, I give you all the final answer. This one is cari sudut. Okay, the first one, A, sudut dia ialah 32, 328. B, sudut dia ialah, oh sorry, ini ialah untuk B. 32 and 328 is for B. For A ialah 37 and 323. Untuk C, 82, C got a lot. 172, 30, 262, 30, and 352, 30. The reason why got many because of this. This is double angle. If y'all tak dapat, it's okay. Next class we can try. But if you can refer to your textbook and try first, it will be good. Okay? Okay, so we stop until here. Okay, kita berhenti sampai sini. So, thank you so much for joining today's class. Okay, I'll see you all soon. So, selamat bercuti sampai hari Isnin. Use the time full max. Okay, maximize the usage of it. Hi teacher, Afiq here. Haha, baru masuk. Alamak, Afiq dah lambat. Okay, so teacher see you all soon. Selamat bercuti, okay? And study at maths every day, okay? Setiap hari practice at maths. And then I'll see you all in my TikTok also. TikTok teacher akan try upload setiap hari, okay? Okay, good night. Take care. Bye guys.